Hello, my name is Lakeisha Thomas. I am taking human resources at Bryan and Stratton College. Right now, I will be walking you through my Cred eportfolio. In my eportfolio, of course, it has a beautiful picture of myself. It also shows my name, what I'm studying, and then what college I will be attending. It also, which is my most favorite part about the MyCred, is that it shows your academic service. Within that, you can click on your academic service and be able to look at what's listed under that. Usually you list any accomplishments or anything that you're taking that was very important to you. Under that, I do have that I was a part of Alpha, Beta, Gamma, which was one of the very important accomplishments for me. So I did make sure that that was listed there within my eportfolio. You are able to get a share QR code, which you can copy and share with your friends so that they can be able to go into your eportfolio as well. Within my eportfolio, I did make sure that I did list my job history. That was very important to me because I do have a lot of management skills, and I wanted to make sure that those management jobs were shown, as well as the fact that I do have leadership skills as well. So you can see some of the jobs and the years that I were there and what location that they were in. As well as you go down within my eportfolio, I wanted to point out my leadership again and what skills I have that falls under that leadership. So as you can see, it shows that I was an assistant manager. It also shows my duties as an assistant manager and what those entailed. So I did make sure that that was there as well because those are important to me. As well, listed under my eportfolio was my bio. My bio basically, I speak about myself. I also tell my years of service in customer service and retail management. I also put under my bio my accomplishments and then what I would like to become after completing my schooling. As well, under my eportfolio, you would see my resume. So my resume is there so that I can be able to give this QR code to different jobs that I'm trying to apply for, and then they can be able to see what I've accomplished so far within my career. So now I'm going to discuss QSBs. QSBs are very important for applicants in many reasons. QSBs help to solidify some of your skills and qualifications that may not be fully emphasized on your resume. QSBs closely matches those job requirements and help you to stand out from other candidates. It will also greatly improve your chances of being selected in interviews. So I think the QSBs that I am taking, that I am learning, within human resources will do all of those things for my future career. So I thank you guys for your attention and listening to me, and you have a wonderful day.